Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video we're going to talk about natural holistic remedies and therapies to try in order to help heal your carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome is really painful. It's really painful and sore to deal with, and usually the best thing that you can do to start off with is you probably would need time away from your work if you are working, or also time away from the specific activity that has caused the flare up or that has caused to inflame your tendons, which has caused your carpal tunnel syndrome. And usually this is located in the wrist area, and there are specific supplements and exercises that will help them to recover during that time. So prevention is really important, but also if you do have carpal tunnel syndrome, it is possible to use and try out the supplements and the exercises and the foods that are known to help in healing the carpal tunnel syndrome. And as always, if you are taking a specific supplement or trying on a natural therapy, please let your doctor know, consult your doctor, because they know your specific condition and they'll be able to be aware and help you with that as well. So in terms of holistic remedies, first of all, you can try the ice pack as well. Ice pack will help to reduce the pain, reduce the inflammation, and cool your wrists using that as well. So leave the ice pack for about 10 minutes and then you can also repeat it every hour or so. And the heat is also important as well. Now it's the opposite of using the ice pack, as you can use a heat pack and you can rotate in between the two. Just make sure to leave 1 or 2 days in between using the ice pack and the heat pack as well. And the heat also helps to ease the pain by relaxing the muscles, and you can simply do so by either using a heat pack or start off by soaking your hand and wrist area where there is the pain from the carpal tunnel syndrome. Soak it in warm water for about 15 minutes before you go to bed each night, and this would be amazing as well. But if this doesn't help with the symptoms, then you can also try on other remedies as well. Being the top of the list is the Arnica, and we've talked about Arnica in many of our videos before. Arnica is such a good homeopathic remedy for helping to reduce the inflammation, for helping to ease the pains and the aches associated with carpal tunnel syndrome and joint pain as well. And you can usually use the Arnica cream, and you just use a little bit of Arnica cream and just simply massage it on the inside of each of your wrists. Massage the area with your thumb or with your other hand, and this will also help to ease the pain and promote healing as well. And you can use the Arnica cream 2 times a day. Usually I prefer morning and night until the pain goes away. Another great thing is wearing a splint at night usually helps as well, because when you're asleep you're usually more vulnerable to bending your hands and your wrists under your pillow, and this really places a lot of pressure on your wrist. And a lot of people who suffer from carpal tunnel syndrome usually wake up with a lot of pain in their wrist area. So what a splint does is that it really helps with easing pain because it holds your fingers in a neutral position, and this way the pressure will be relieved as well. Now you can get the splint from the pharmacy. You can get it also from most of the major stores as well, and that way it would help you as well. So you can wear it at night, but you can also wear it during the pain if you are doing specific work that actually requires you to do a lot of hand motion. So you can use the splint both at night and both during the day. Acupuncture has worked for many people when it comes to relieving pain from carpal tunnel syndrome. It's also great for it because it really helps in basically easing the pain from the joints and also restoring strength as well. And yoga is important. I know yoga, acupuncture is really great for restoring the strength, for also helping with the reduction of the inflammation and easing and healing the joints and healing the wrist pain as well. So in terms of supplements, there are different ones that you can take, but the herb St. John's wort is great. Now, it's usually known to help with mood problems, mental health, and so forth, but the St. John's wort actually helps to actually repair the damage to the nerves, and also helps to reduce the pain, helps to reduce the inflammation. And you need to make sure that if you take a supplement from St. John's wort, whether that was capsule form or tincture form, it needs to actually have the word standardized extract, because the exact component that is in the herb St. John's wort, it's called it's actually really important for reducing inflammation, and you need to take it based on the dosage given by your holistic medical practitioner, based of course on your specific condition, on your weight, and on your overall health. So another thing that you can try is taking internally flaxseed oil every day. You can need to take it for at least 2 to 3 weeks in order to see results. And flax seeds are great, especially when it comes to the oil, because they're rich in omega-3 fatty acids. If you are not vegan, you can also try taking fish oil supplements and making sure that your diet has a consistent intake of fatty fish such as salmon. And omega-3 fatty acids really help to reduce inflammation that way. And if you are taking the flaxseed oil, then it's best to take it with food to help with absorption, to help with getting the best benefits in the flaxseed oil. And the best way to take flax seeds is in capsule form. I don't enjoy the taste, to be honest. They are quite mild, but you can also mix it with a fruit juice and take it that way. Just make sure to take a whole tablespoon of flaxseed oil in orange juice, and then quickly take it in like a little shot glass. Also, curcumin is amazing because it's anti-inflammatory, and it's been used widely in Ayurvedic medicine to help with reducing inflammation, to help with so many other problems as well. Make sure you take the standardized version of curcumin, and it would be amazing if you get a supplement that contains a curcumin as well as another heating component such as cinnamon or black seeds in there as well, to help with the absorption. And magnesium is great. Magnesium is important because it's actually involved in the nerve function, and it helps your muscles to relax. And this will help greatly if you are suffering from any sort of joint pain or carpal tunnel syndrome, because it will help you to relax overall, mentally and physically as well, in terms of helping to heal your muscles and your joints. Now, the type of magnesium that's recommended for carpal tunnel syndrome is magnesium citrate, which is the most absorbable form of magnesium. And the only side effect that you might have as a result of taking magnesium, which doesn't happen with everyone, is basically the bowel movement change. They become much more loose. So if that's your problem, then simply by reducing the dose, it would help to fix it, or maybe switch to another type of magnesium, which is magnesium gluconate. Gluconate magnesium is amazing because it gives you that same benefits of magnesium, but it doesn't really affect that digestive system in that way, where it would make your stools much more looser. And also another great supplement that is amazing for the carpal tunnel syndrome is bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme that you can get from pineapples, and it helps to ease the inflammation in your body, reduce the inflammation, especially located in your sore wrist as well, and also reducing the pain, which will help in healing much more easier that way. Now, take it according to the instructions of the brand, and also take it between meals, because this will help in its potency. This will help in your food being better absorbed and digested as well. So we've also another really important vitamin that is crucial for helping to heal sore joints and sore pains is vitamin B6, and this is the most important vitamin when it comes to helping ease carpal tunnel syndrome. And there's a lot of controversy around the use of this vitamin. Some people that are experts in that field claim that it doesn't do anything, and most of the experts claim that vitamin B6 is amazing for the healing of the nerve problems, of which carpal tunnel syndrome is is a nerve problem. So the recommended dosage for that is anything over 50 micrograms a day, but also please make sure you consult your medical practitioner related to your use of that dose, and also in the process of helping your body to naturally heal from carpal tunnel syndrome. And also using B6 will help because it's really important for maintaining healthy nerves, and it will help in the overall health as well. Now, a lot of people have carpal tunnel syndrome, and this is usually because of their deficiency of the vitamin B6. So it's important to focus on that vitamin. You can also, if you can't find a supplement, a vitamin B6 supplement, or you would like to supplement with vitamin B6 using a whole foods, then you can focus on foods such as chicken breast, whole grain cereals, also egg yolks, salmon and green vegetables are loaded with vitamin B6, and you can easily get that supplement in the pharmacy or in the health food store. So we've come towards the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for supporting the channel. If you got anything out of today's video, make sure you subscribe, like and share. We'd love to hear from you in the comment section. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.